Today we're going to fix a LED light. It doesn't work at all. See? It doesn't even work. This is stupid. It doesn't even work. So we're going to try to open the light bulb. What are you doing? What are you doing? Open the light bulb. You can't even open the light bulb. Open it. Open it. You're going to see I can do it in 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Here, I brought some Munir. I borrowed it from Thor. Let's see if it's going to work. Come on, a light bulb strike. Come on, strike. Oops, I think I broke it. Let me try again. Come on. Let's try again. So we finally opened the light bulb, and now after inspecting the light bulb, we can see that there's a black spot on one of the LEDs. Here we put a smiley face. And so now what we're going to do is take off the LED and create a short circuit. So I'm taking a plier to take off the LED. And now I'm taking a cutter and taking off the LEDs. And taking the plier to take off the maximum of the LED off. And I'm taking off the maximum of residue. So now I'm using a solder welder and trying to take off the maximum of residue. I did some welding on the light bulb. We'll see if I fixed it correctly.